Hi everyone, this is Rohan here. Today I'm going to talk about US CMA. US CMA stands for Certified Management Accountant. It's a US based qualification which is present in India as well as 180 plus countries. Now, a lot of you guys would be thinking that how do I start my CMA journey? Just to let you know and break it down for you guys, the academic structure that I'm talking about. So US CMA has two parts. First part focuses on accounting, the other part focuses on finance. Each of these parts consists 6 subjects. However, there is one common exam for both these parts. When it comes to the paper pattern and the examination duration, it's a 5 hours exam. The paper pattern is quite simple. It's 400 marks of pure MCQs, and the remaining 100 marks is basically your case studies based MCQs. When it comes to how does the exam are conducted, it's a proper computer based examination. Now, when it comes to passing rate of US CMA, when I talk about globally, US CMAs with regards to the part first are currently the passing rate is anywhere close to 45 to 50%. And when it comes to second part, it's anywhere close to 50 to 55%. But when you talk about Zell, the passing rate for the past few years for US CMAs has been anywhere close to 85 to 88%. This is more about US CMA. If you need to know any other details, please comment in the comment section or please reach out to us on the number which is mentioned on the screen.